Hi, welcome to the daily analysis with volume profile, price action auction theory of different instruments. Today is January 19th, and let's start with Dow Jones. Well, as we can see, the price has touched several targets, lower targets. The main target was this one, 33,705. The second was this price action zone, and even we didn't mark because it was so far this point. It was a VWAP, weekly VWAP final, and this naked VPOC, weekly VPOC. We have touched this, and now let's see what are the targets for today. First target, it will be this price action zone. It's a point, it's a price where the price has rebounded 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So it's a very, very important support. And let's see if the price can go and touch this. This is a possible zone of support because of the great density of volume. Okay, so let's mark this point, and upper targets would be first place this node of volume, high volume node at 33,586. The secondary target would be 34,48. Okay, let's jump to S&P. S&P, this wedge structure has been broken. It failed, the price failed at getting the upper target based on this pullback, the projection of this pullback. It failed and reached the main target that was 3,966. The secondary, then the price has been going down again and again, and touched this point where the price has stopped for a while, at least. It is 3,940. What are the targets? Lower targets, the main lower target is this point, exactly on 3,919, and the secondary target would be this price action zone. It's about 3,894. The last, if the price continues falling, the next point would be 3,876, and the final VWAP, weekly VWAP at 3,862. Upper targets, the main upper target would be this point, this all final of VWAP, weekly VWAP, 3,966. Let's remember that in 2 days that the options expires in 1 day, 2 days. So let's see if the price recovers and goes to the 4,000. That is a great zone for the options. It's a max pain point. Let's see Nasdaq. Nasdaq, the wedge structure has been broken, and what are the targets? First great target for me is this price action zone that begins at 11,409 and goes to 11,371. Upper targets. First place, this high volume node, is very close to the value area low of the current week. So the zone between 11,512 and 11,524, it will be a great target, and the secondary target would be the current weekly VPOC, now at 11,596. Let's mark it. Now we have all the targets for this instrument. Let's see what happens with light oil, WTI. Okay, we told about this point. It was a target. We reached this point, and then the price began to fall. The first point to touch was the weekly current VPOC. It touched this, and the secondary place was this, touching this uptrend line. It was broken and went to this point, this price action point, that it was the minimum of the week. Now it's exactly when we are, and let's see what are the targets. First target, this high volume node in 78.37. It would be our first target. Then we have here a zone of price action. This point, 78.678, the 78 exactly, and the third place there will be another point, 77.42. What are the upper targets? In first place, 79, and then we have a zone full of little high volume nodes, 79.51, 79.71, 79.89, and the main target would be the current weekly VPOC, exactly on 18, 80, and 23. Let's jump to gold. In gold, the price is more stable. As we can see, we are inside the value area of this week. So let's see what are the targets. Value area high will be the first one, upper target, 1920. Below the price, 19.7, 19.8, and the secondary targets. First place, this point, the maximums of the week, about 1,930, and on the other hand, this price action zone with that involves the minimum of this week and minimum of January the 13th. A zone between 1,898 to 1,894. Last instrument, let's refresh. It's DAX. When we began the analysis, we have here a great resistance. What were the targets? The first target was the weekly VPOC, current VPOC. The secondary target was the minimum of the week, and now it's value area low, 15,154. In third place, that was this weekly VPOC, 15,120, and let's see what happens. The main lower target after trespassing this point, this high volume node in 15,035, will be this point. For me, it's very, very important. Final of the VWAP exactly on 14,985. If it breaks this point, if the price breaks this point, next point would be 14,881. Upper targets. First target would be the weekly VPOC at 15,180, and the secondary target would be this point, naked daily VPOC of yesterday. It's on 15,233. Well, that's all. Good luck. It's on for educational purpose only, not a recommendation. So take no risk, and see you tomorrow. Bye.